front of me is Realme C65 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use Keypad Clipboard. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on Clipboard at the top of it. Then use this switcher at the top right corner and go back thanks to this arrow at the top left one. Now you need to copy or cut any text. And to paste it right away, click on it at the top of your keyboard. To paste it later on, click on Clipboard and tap on your text over here. To pin it, hold it and tap on pin icon. You can unpin it the same way. To get rid of it, hold it and choose Delete. To disable Clipboard completely, use the same switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!